Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate language acquisition with Duolingo, full guide step by step clearly. To begin automating language acquisition with Duolingo, first, install the Duolingo app on your device or access it through a web browser. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Choose the language you wish to learn from the list provided. Set a daily goal for your study time, such as beginners, casual, or serious. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface to navigate through lessons effectively. Start with the basics by completing the introductory lessons to build foundational vocabulary. Practice reading, writing, and pronunciation simultaneously as you progress through each module. Utilize the practice feature to reinforce previously learned material frequently. Incorporate the stories and podcast sections for immersive listening and reading experiences. Enable notifications to remind you to practice daily, ensuring consistent engagement. Join Duolingo communities or forums for motivation and to connect with fellow learners. Track your progress visually on the app to stay motivated and celebrate milestones. Experiment with different learning styles, such as focusing more on speaking or writing based on your preferences. Consider supplementing Duolingo with additional resources, like language exchange partners or other apps. Adjust your daily goals as you become more comfortable with the language to keep the learning journey challenging. Regularly review completed lessons to reinforce knowledge and enhance retention. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your language acquisition process with Duolingo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.